Tonight, a few Central Texans are feeling thankful after reaching out to our 6 Fix team. Ooh, annoying, right? Well, it was that noise that kept waking people up. An alarm at the Big Lots in Temple would randomly go off overnight for the past several months. People said that they had trouble sleeping, and even if they did tell the city about it, nothing was done.
It's been going on for months now. I'd probably say about 4 or 5 months, all night long it's just going off. The whole time, nobody shows up, no, service vehicles or anything to even check on it.
After our story aired, residents tell 6 News the alarm has been silent. Our team contacted Big Lots multiple times and still hasn't heard back from them. No word as to what caused that alarm to go off in the first place. Well, 6 News is here to help as best as we can. If you have a problem for a 6 Fix, send us an email at 6fix@kcentv.com.